This is Wilfred the cat. There's absolutely nothing wrong with him. He's just a little ugly. A few days ago, there was a mysterious blue light flashing over New York City. People thought it was aliens, but it was actually a small explosion at a power plant.
What is this?
There's no way that's a concert.
Is this radiation? Is this radiation that we're getting?
These students in Japan made robots that can precisely flip water bottles. This company made a phone case that can save your phone from fall damage. In case you didn't know, greyhounds like to chatter their teeth when they're excited. Can you spot all the birds in this video? This family recently lost their mother, so they were surprised when they opened a card and heard her voice.
Oh my gosh, si Nanay.
Huh?
That's Nanay's voice. Did you hear?
No?
That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching my videos all year long. I'll try my best to make my videos next year even better. So happy New Year's, and I'll see y'all again very, very soon. Daily Dose of Internet. An elderly man fell out of a window, and a firefighter was able to grab him and safely bring him back inside.
Excuse me, what is your opinion on the current state of the pandemic? Thank you.
Nah, what? Hold on. Nah, they killed Nah, no way they gotta kill this pigeon. Yo! Oh!
The good news is that the pigeon wasn't hurt. This person was skydiving and had a difficult time finding the cord to deploy their parachute. The diving instructor rushed over and pulled the chute for them. This person took a picture of their face every day for 2 years and captured how their acne formed and healed over that time. This cat enjoys getting a good massage. This container was designed to keep food fresher for longer by removing all of the available air. As a result, you can do some fun tricks with this container. This person was pulled over by the police for speeding, and the officer was interested in the color of his car.
That you'll take care of it either by showing up to court or by paying the citation fine.
Okay.
I had a question for you.
Sure, ma'am.
What would you call this color?
It's called satin psychedelic.
That's the end of this video. I hope you learned something new, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Daily Dose of Internet. This is called Braille Screen Input, and it makes it possible for someone who is blind to text on their phone. A combination of the numbers on the screen creates different characters.
Katze, Katze, this, I-S, it's A-A-D-E-M-O, demo, O-F, of, B-R-L, Braille, S-C-R-E-E-N, screen, I-L-P-U-T, input, O-N, on, T-I-P-H, got, O, period, portrait.
This YouTuber wanted to see if you could cook meat by slapping it.
And we're off! Yes, we have an increase in temperature, 9 degrees C. Let's go! Yo! 60 degrees! 60 degrees! We got this! Yes! The steak is done! It's cooked! Past that, it actually tastes pretty good! I can't believe it!
Here's a time-lapse video over the span of 20 years showing how these stars are orbiting around a black hole. This is a carnivorous plant. So these people gave the plant a piece of mozzarella cheese because it won't have any problems digesting it. This is how an architect draws a city from a one-point perspective. A photographer found a rare yellow cardinal sitting on a fence. Yellow cardinals are so rare that the odds of seeing one are 1 in a million. I wanted to quickly let everyone know that I opened up a store for people to buy Daily Dose merchandise. 100% of the profits will go towards teaching homeless people skills that will help them find a job. The merchandise will ship worldwide, and the link to the store is in the description below. That's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and Daily Dose of Internet. This couple was out flying when the baggage compartment burst open, completely opening the right side of the plane. To make matters worse, the back end of the plane was damaged in the process, and the pilot started losing control. The pilot then found a field to make an emergency landing.
Right, can I have a phone? Phone.
Whiskey, Smile. Smile.
My mum was cutting onions and the cat is sitting there like crying. Oh, you okay, darling? It's okay.
This otter doesn't like that this plastic box is getting sprayed.
No. Be sweet. It's okay.
Have you ever seen a baby wombat? This is the tripod fish that can be found deep on the ocean floor. These fish use their long antenna-like fins as a type of radar to feel for movement in the water while in complete darkness.
Off for those of you who want to look at a close-up view of this really cool tripod fish, looks like, or maybe upside down tripod fish, I'm not sure. Something a little different.
That's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later. Daily dose of internet. A photographer wanted to see what pills look like when they dissolve in our stomach.
Dude, what? How? How? Are there this many of you right now? You guys are unreal.
It's alright, mate. You can't park there, sir.
This guy was trying to get the snow off the roof, and it worked a little too well. This bat is 33 years old and is too old to fly anymore, but with some help he can still do it. This person set up a synthesizer that allows us to listen in on the electrical signals that mushrooms create. This newborn baby looks completely exhausted.
Are you ready for the grand finale, Hazel? You have to watch the booty. Oh, see. The back end. It's time to wash the bottom.
The Russian military made a giant hovercraft that is capable of amphibious landings. This guy can pull off some amazing tricks with just a mechanical pencil and a blueberry. Here's a cool time-lapse of a glacier in Argentina. That's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and